Hey everyone, welcome back to NailNovice. I have a completely different video for you today. It's a bit of a watch me work, which I haven't done before, but I love to watch other people's. And this was a competition entry that I was putting together. So this was a competition with my national Gelish distributor to use at least 2 colours from the new Colour of Petals collection to create a nail design. So lucky for me, I had ordered 3 of the new colours, and what better use for them than creating a floral design. So here I've applied 2 coats of the colours, curing between each layer. The orangey tone in the middle is Young Wild and Free-sia. The mauve tone either side of that is Gardenia My Heart, and the pink tone at each end is I Feel Flowerful. 2 coats of each of those, and I'm wiping the inhibition layer away in preparation for some artwork. Then here I'm diluting the orangey polish with some Top It Off top coat, and using a striping brush I'm hand painting some petals in either corner of the mauve nails. It's quite hard to see here even on camera, but it's all part of the process, and those delicate background petals will all come together in the end. I'm doing the same by diluting the mauve colour and applying that to the pink toned nails, and at some stage I come in and completely top coat the middle nail so it can share a cure in the lamp with the petals I've just painted. Next I'm coming in with the full strength colours and painting a second layer of petals over top of the ones I've just previously done, mixing and matching the colours to whichever colour combo I feel will make the opaque petals pop and show up the most, and then they are going into cure. Out of the lamp I'm going in with Arctic Freeze, which is an opaque white by Gelish, and I'm outlining both sets of petals, which now makes those translucent ones stand out a bit more now. And at this stage I decided these nails are still needing a little something more, so I come in with that same white and paint a few leaf details, and also come in with Last Call, which is the Gelish Shimmer Rose Gold, and paint some leaves and stamen with that, and then some dots or berries I guess they could be with the full opaque colours, and everything goes in for another cure. So my middle nail has just been sitting there patiently. I wiped the inhibition layer, and I'm doing a 3D rose in white acrylic. I have a video about 3D roses already if you'd like to go and watch that one. The biggest trick with acrylic 3D work is that I like to add a dash of acetone to my monomer so it dries out faster and you can work quicker with small 3D designs. This, to be honest, was not my finest 3D work, but I haven't done any in ages, so it's an okay attempt. That sets up, and my other nails get a top coat to seal in the artwork. And lastly, it's time to add some crystals. These are actually just cheap crystals, they're not Swarovski. This was a photo image competition, so no need to bust out the expensive ones on this occasion. I have also done a video on crystal adhesion using the Gelish range. So basically I use a generous dot of the pot structure gel, place my crystals in the gel so the gel squishes up around the sides. I flash cure that for 5 seconds, then I come in and do a final top coat in and around and up to the structure gel to finish the nails. And that's it, this was my final design. I'm editing this before the competition has finished actually, so who knows. Check out those other videos I mentioned, and I'll talk to you next video.